Welcome to another training video from himpact.com. My name is Travis Holt, and today I'm going to show you how to create a select query and a make table query using the query design window in Access 2010. The database we are using is created from the Northwind database template. This video will focus on constructing a select query that retrieves orders with payments pending. The select query will then be used to create a make table query. Using Access 2010, let's begin by opening our sample database located in our Access 2010 samples folder. To open the database, from the File ribbon, double-click Open. Click Desktop. Double-click Access 2010 Samples. And double-click the Northwind Select Make Table Start database. Here we have a sales database from Northwind Traders. Before we begin, let's close the login form. Also, let's display the objects in the navigation pane by object type. Click the title bar of the navigation pane. Click Object Type. That's more like it. One more thing, let's expand the navigation pane's Tables and Queries groups. Click Tables, click Queries. Now that we have things configured the way we like, let's create our first query. For our first task, we need to create a select query to retrieve orders with payments pending. Click the Create tab, which displays the Create ribbon. Then within the Queries group, click the Query Design button. The Show Table dialog box displays to allow us to select the tables and queries we need. With the tables selected and customers highlighted, press and hold the Control key and click Employees, Orders. Release the Control key, click the Add button. Now click the Close button. Let's stretch the Orders table Employees table and Customers table so we can see their fields better. Now, let's save the query. Click the Save button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. When the Save As dialog box is displayed, place the cursor in the query name text box. Type QS_payment pending. Click the OK button. Now that we have the tables displayed in our query design window, we need to add the fields to our query. Starting with the Employees table, double-click ID. Company, first name, and last name. From the Orders table, double-click Order Date and Paid Date. And finally, from the Customers table, double-click First Name and Last Name. Now, let's add criteria to only display payments pending. Place the cursor in the criteria row below the Paid Date field. Type is null. Press Enter. Now, click the Run button in the Results group. It looks like it worked. These records all have no paid dates, which means the payments are pending. Let's save the query by clicking the Save button. Now that we have a select query, it's time to create a make table query. This make table query will create a table with the same data from the select query. To create the make table query, click the Create tab. Within the Queries group, click the Query Design button. The Show Table dialog box displays the tables and queries available. Let's select the query we need. Click the Queries tab. Double-click QS_payment pending. Click Close. Since we're creating a Make Table query, click the Make Table Query button in the Query Type group. The Make Table dialog box displays to allow us to name the table to create. Type TMT_payment pending. Let's keep the default of current database and click OK. Now we need to select all the fields from the QS payment pending query. Double-click the asterisk to select all the fields. Click the Save button. When the Save As dialog box is displayed, place the cursor in the query name text box. Type QMT_payment pending. Click OK. To run the query, click the Run button in the Results group. Unlike a select query, we are presented a message box to confirm running this query. In Access, a make table query is considered an action query. Action queries perform actions that will change, modify, or delete data in a database. When run multiple times, this query has the ability to delete and recreate our target table. Let's confirm running the action query. Click the Yes button to confirm the Insert Row action. Our table is created. Let's look at the data. Within the navigation pane, locate and double-click our new table named TMT Payment Pending. Notice this table contains the same results of the QS Payment Pending query. In summary today, we were able to use Access 2010 to create a select query to extract orders with payments pending. Then we were able to use the same select query to build a make table query that creates a table within the Northwind database. Again, my name is Travis Holt. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this training tutorial from himpact.com.